All right, so I'm going to go through a couple of these problems dealing with arithmetic sequences. So the first one, we're trying to find the missing terms here. So we're given the first term, so we'll say A1 is 85, and A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. A6 would then be -8. And so like the general idea is to figure out like what the sequence is changing by, and since it's arithmetic, you want to see like what it's adding each time or what it's subtracting. You can always guess and check, but that could take a long time and it's could be unreliable. So what will always work is if you use the equation for the common difference. D is equal to an minus am over n minus m. This is just like a slope formula or rate of change equation. It's like y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And we just pick two terms that we know, which we have a1 and a6. So we're going to have a1 minus a6 over 1 minus 6. And then we just replace it with 85 minus -8 over 5. And we get 93 over 5. I believe that's like some fancy decimal. 93 divided by 5 is 18.6. Okay. Now we just add 18.6 each time. Or no, we subtract 18.6 is what I meant to say. So we take away 18.6 from 85. It's 66.4. Take away 18.6, 47.8. Take away 18.6, 29.2. And take away 18.6, 10.6. And let's just double check to make sure that is going to be what happens when you take away 18.6. Yeah. So we're good. Hooray. Right. Next one. Here we're going to find the 12th term, so A12 of this arithmetic sequence. So we're given A42 and A51. That's all we need. Because what's the... dangerous. Now, we can use the equation an, the nth term is equal to the mth am term plus the common difference d times n minus m. Hey guys, an is going to be a12, and we can use a42, whatever, like m will be 42. So we need to find d, and then we can go and then use n as 12 and m as 42. We need to find the common difference first. So we can use this equation here again, but this time we're going to use an as 42 and then am as 51. So then we're going to go an is a42, am is a51. Just for this equation, it'll just make it simpler. So we go ahead. D is equal to an minus am. So a42, which is 52.2, minus a51. Whoa. So 52.2 minus 50.1. Over 42 minus 51. So that'll be -9, right? Whoa, what's going on here? And then we'll get, what is that going to be? 2.1 divided by 9? Hold on a second, that ain't right. A42, minus 50.4. Divided by 9. That makes more sense. Negative 0.2. That's a common difference. Then we replace it in our equation right here. Right here. Then we do some math. Plug and chugging. So A12 will be A42 or 52.2 minus 0.2 times negative 30. So 52.2 minus plus 6, right? That's 0.2. Okay, 58.2. I don't know. Oh, I don't know why I hesitated there, but yeah, 58.2, I guess. So we get 52.2 minus 6, yeah, or plus 6. Sorry, plus 6. So 58.2. That'll be A12. And again, always use look over your answer to make sure it makes sense, because you don't want an answer that doesn't make any sense. It's just because you made a simple, stupid, or not stupid, but a careless mistake. Right, and let's just go through one more where we find the sum of an arithmetic series. So we got, let's see, number 14, yeah? That looks good. On this sum, we're going to find S30 for the sequence goes as negative 4.2. Then it goes negative 4.2 plus a negative 1 plus 2.2 plus 5.4 and so forth. These are supposed to be 3 little dots. There we go. Okay, so first let's figure out what the common difference is. And that's pretty simple when they're given, in order. So then we figure out from negative 4.2 to negative 1, that'll be 3.2. Yeah, we're adding 3.2 each time. And if we're trying to find S30, we use this good old formula. So let me write it up here. Sn equals n times A1 plus AN over 2. That looks like 0 over 2. Okay, so let's find A1. Found it, negative 4.2. So S30 will be negative 4.2. Or let me not jump ahead. Well, I will. Well, let's plug in the n first. The n is 30, so S30 equals 30 times A1, or negative 4.2, plus AN. So we need to find A30 over 2. And we can find A30 by just plugging it in into our equation for AN. So A30 will be A1 plus D, so plus 3.2 times N minus 1. So times 30 minus 1. And this will be negative 4.2 plus 3.2 times 29. And we'll get 88.6. All right. Now we just replace this with 88.6. Good old whiteboard. Now we evaluate. So this will be 80. Where can I write this? Over here. So 30 over 2 is 15. So 15 times, what is that going to be? 84.4, right? 84.4 times 15. 1266. Nice number. Final time. There we go. We are done for now. Okay, so I hope that helps. Let me know if some other questions you guys have, and I'll be going over some of the more difficult ones in the next video. So I'll see you guys then. If you don't subscribe, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe now. Later, guys. Later, Gators.